Good morning, children. This is our lesson motion time. Already I have it started in the classroom. Introduction of the lesson, and once again I will show you the pictures. See the first picture, observe the difference between two pictures, and observe here also between two pictures. And here I said that a body may be at rest with respect to one set of surroundings at the same time, motion in respect to another set of surroundings. Thus, the motion is relative to the observer. How we observe, according to that the object we can see. Observing the certain motions. Now let us see the different pictures here. One man boating in the water, and another girl in the cradle, and another girl bicycle on the bicycle. I already discussed in the classroom. Here I am going to discuss you two types of motions. They are uniform and non-uniform motion. The body is said to be in motion if its position keeps on changing with the time. But in our daily life we experience certain motion in which changes in position objects remains in the same time of interval. See, how can we consider uniform and non-uniform motion? Means if one object it takes equal intervals of times, that is called uniform motion. One object or body takes unequal interval times of motions, that is called non-uniform motion. For example, if you take clock, how it moves, how the hands of a clock moves, regular equal distance for each and every 5 minutes, equal traveling hands of the clock. So it is called as uniform motion. But butterfly, how it flies in the garden, it takes any particular equal distance, particular time it follows? No, it flies as they wish. So it is non-uniform motion. For that another example also, here we can see two types of tables. Here two cars, car A and car B. How they are traveling? Car A is traveling equal interval of distance of time. For example, 0 seconds and traveled 0 meters, and 10 seconds traveled 150 meters, and 20 seconds 300. So every time it changing 150 meters just overhead. For example, 0 to 150, 150 to 300, 300 to 450 means difference is equal, interval time is equal, that is 150. So it is called as uniform motion. But here see the distance, 0 meters, 50 meters, 90 meters, 180 meters, 230 meters. It is not in equal intervals, irregular intervals. So it is not. Car B is in non-uniform motion. Understand? Now here they have given some options. You have to say whether it is uniform or non-uniform. Movement of hands of a clock, you know already. It is uniform motion. A boy cycling in a crowded place, you know that the bicycle moving in irregular intervals, so it is non-uniform motion. Movement of housefly. Housefly, how it moves? Not equal interval of times, so that is non-uniform motion. And then fan in an air conditioner, air cooler running at fixed speed, which is running at fixed speed, is called automatically uniform motion. That is the symbol. A train entering into a railway station, equal distance now, so it is also uniform motion. Kite in the chair, very sorry, kite in the air. Kite also it moves in irregular intervals, so that is also non-uniform motion. Rotation of the earth, already you know that it is uniform motion. So totally we have two types of motions, but still we have some other kinds of motions. Now we are going to discuss another kinds of motions. Let us consider the examples. See, these are the examples of different types of motions. See, observe carefully. A car is moving in the same direction along the straight road. This is one type of motion. And blades of ceiling fan rotate about fixed point. This is one type of motion. And a sewing machine needle, how it moves up and down and fixed point, that is also one type of motion. And hands in the wall clock, or in old wall clock we can see the pendulum, how it moves side to side, up and fro. This is one type of motion. By observing these examples we can know the different types of motions. What are they? Means translatory motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion. Understand? Now one by one we have to discuss. What is translatory motion? I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.